Hi my friends, welcome back to Cozy Home. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and today is going to be an easy recipe for 4th of July. This is a collaboration that is hosted by Miss Rachel Monster. She has twins and she loves Disney inspired stuff, and another lady we have is Small Stuff Big Family, and Miss Laura is a farmer's wife in Missouri. They have 5 beautiful children and they're a big blended family. We have Madeline Messy Sink is all about food. She also does grocery hauls, planning, and what's for dinner. So definitely go check out her channel if you are stumped on what to make for dinner. We have Jessica Myros. She is giving lots of motivation, inspire what you do for homemaking, life skill, traveling, and wellness. We have Miss Kate. Her channel is documenting her motherhood, homemaking, homeschool, and family adventures. And then our last, we have Adia Simple. She does grocery hauls, cleaning, lifestyle, and some cooking. On my channel, I do cleaning videos, motivations, power hours, decluttering, and plant-based recipes. And if you like that type of content, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and leave me a comment. And thank you once again for watching my video. So let's go ahead and get started. First I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up my watermelon. I'm kind of cutting up my watermelon into bite-sized pieces, but I also wanted to do some stars, so I've been practicing. I'm not that good at it, but I think it's just gonna make it look cute. I'm just using a cookie cutter and then going from there. So I'm gonna have a few cute stars to add on top. I think it'll look cute, and I think the kids will enjoy the stars. Ooh, that one didn't turn out that good. I think I need to get a thinner piece. Let's get it. Ah, perfect. Okay. If you get a thinner piece, then the thicker one is a lot easier to cut. So thinner ones are better than the thick ones. I'm gonna put these to the side. So I'm gonna use those later. Now I'm gonna add some raspberries. I already pre-washed these. Ooh, squished it. Some blueberries. And then also some blackberries in here. So what you can add is some basil leaves to this, like this, and just have it nicely done. And then you could also add mozzarella balls, those pure balls, or little chunks of mozzarella if you want. If you even want to do a vegan mozzarella, you can add that too. And if you don't want to do basil, you could also add some mint on here. I think sweet mint, this is what this is. I have some sweet mint from my garden, so I'm just gonna stick this in here really pretty, like, hopefully. And let's take this one off. Wait, Ryder. I got some small ones. Oh, it smells so amazing. That would be pretty. I'm going to leave the mint in here and not use the basil, because if I had mozzarella, I would add the basil, because basil and mozzarella taste really good together. So I'm just going to leave the mint and just serve this like it is. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys go and check out all of these wonderful ladies, and as you're there, please make sure you subscribe to their channel and leave them a comment. And I hope you guys have a blessed 4th of July, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.